Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back. I hope you guys enjoyed your Easter break. I certainly did. I had too much chocolate to eat. I'm going to have to get back into my gym routine and burn off them calories. But anyway guys, I hope you guys enjoyed your Easter break. I'm going to get back into making videos. The first crypto we're going to be talking about today, this week, is Quant. The ticker symbol is QNT. Now some of you would have heard about this coin. It's an ISO 222 appliant cryptocurrency, which is an ISO standard. The Fed now also has that standard for the Fed now by the Federal Reserve in the US. Now, I just want to talk about Quant today. We are currently at a very important price point upon we speak. Now, if we are to fail to hold above $117, I would expect a pullback to sub $100 Quant again. Now, as we speak, we are currently just on the cusp of breaking this level. Now, in the short term, this is your trend line. This is the trend line you really got to watch. Now, as you can see, you had a head and shoulders here, right? That failed to break down. As you can see, it bounced off them December lows. Now, all cryptos did that, right? Bitcoin had a major pump from the lows. January, very strong bounce. Ethereum, very same thing. Now, this cryptocurrency here, it is well and truly off the June lows. When Bitcoin was making lows down at 17,500, Quant was down here around the $40 range back in June. But then when Bitcoin was making new lows up here, when we had the FTX collapse, Bitcoin made new lower lows at 15,500. Quant was sitting sub $100, as you can see here. This was the FTX collapse, right? And this is what Quant did. So Quant is fundamentally a lot stronger, just like Ethereum. It's well and truly off the June lows compared to lots of other cryptocurrencies. Majority of them have swept June lows when Bitcoin swept its lows. So when I look at a chart, this cryptocurrency is a lot stronger. So I would expect this cryptocurrency to do very well. Same with Ethereum, same with Polygon Matic in the next bull market cycle when Bitcoin has its next halving leading into 2024 next year. It's getting close, 365 days away from the next Bitcoin halving, guys. So just do keep that in mind. It's ticking down closer. Every single block's ticking by. Now, what's also interesting, so you had this inverse head and shoulders here, right? That little inverse head and shoulders. And then you had the head and shoulders here. Shoulder, head, shoulder. Like I said, it failed to break down. So in the short term, I would expect Quant to have a pullback down to $100, sub $100 if we do break down. Now you can also see here, I just noticed something. If we go from the lows, from the body candle closes here, you can also see it tags the wicks all along here. So we've got two trend lines and they all converge around this $117 level. Now, if we flip over the daily, we'll have a look at the small short term. We could just drop this trend line down to the lows if we wanted to. It tags the lows here. So we are at a very important price point right here. Now, if we zoom out, we can also see Quant is in a very strong demand zone. See how there's a lot of people have been swapping, buying, trading their cryptocurrency Quant at these price points. So let's say from $90 up to the top here at around $186. So between that price levels, those two price levels, Quant, it's a very strong demand zone here. Lots of people have bought, lots of people have sold, it's traded hands, etc., etc. So if Quant does fail, like I said, my first area of support, I would expect a bounce at around this $93 level, somewhere around there, $93, $95. Now, if we are to fall below $90 for Quant, I would expect it to test around the lows here. So as you can see, if we are to fall below that $90 level, that horizontal support and resistance, I would expect it to fall down and test the lows. But at the moment, we are a very long way away from it. We are currently sitting at $120 as we make this video. In the short term, you just got to keep an eye out for that $117 level. If that fails to hold, I expect around $93 Quant. So sub $100 Quant, that's what I'm calling for in the short term. But anyway, guys, I just want to get this quick little video out. I hope you guys enjoyed your Easter. I certainly did. Anyway, guys, hit that like button, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the very next video. GameX out. Peace.